firstly, kita dah bagi macam dia dah bagi equation dekat soalan tu kan, yang eksponen negatif x square dy dx tu kan. Lepas tu saya tulis kat situ. Lepas tu saya asingkan y belah kiri dengan x belah kanan. Lepas tu
this one, this type. Okay,
lepas tu saya integrate both side.
Right. Okay.
Sampai dia tinggal ada C kat situ. Lepas tu saya cari C tu dengan cara ni. Dekat soalan tu dia ada tulis tau. A curve passes through the point 0, 0. So when x is 0, means y pun 0. So saya substitute dalam latest equation tu untuk cari C. Lepas tu saya dapat C negative 3/2. Saya masukkan balik dalam equation tu.
Oh, no, C. This is C. Okay. C.
Lepas tu saya susun sampai y kat depan.
Okay, the next is, okay, until this step, right? Okay, that's alright. This is a general form, not a particular form. So, here only get sampai, okay, cannot apply to dirigs lah. This one because this is the consider not the actual, the real life application, right? Okay, good. So very full mark, perfect solution, 100% perfect, settle. Very good.
Kalau kita baca, dia dah bagi rate for the change of gluconolactone into gluconic acid. So sekarang dia nak berapa, how many grams akan tinggal.
Variable.
Apa dia media?
Variable is what?
Variable dia y.
Y. And Y for refer for?
Y for the gluconolactone tu.
Okay, yang gluconolactone tu. Okay,
T for hours.
Okay. And then?
T for time. Time dia hours.
At time. Time T. Means that you need to do Y of T. Okay. Next.
Okay. First dia dah bagi dah rate tadi. Dari rate tadi kita pindahkan Y ke bahagian Y, T di bahagian T. Okay, lepas tu kita kita integrate both side sebab kita nak buang dy tu dengan dt tu. Lepas tu kita dapat ln y equals to negative 0.6 plus c.
Yeah,
negative 0.6 t plus c. So c tu kita boleh cari dia dengan gantikan dengan maklumat je dah bagi awal tadi. Yang bila 100 gram of gluconolactone tu present, time tu t ialah kosong. So kita gantikan dalam kita punya ln y equals to negative 0.6 t plus c. Kita boleh cari nilai c tu berapa. Lepas tu kita boleh dapat dia punya equation dia.
Okay.
Okay, selepas dapat equation, tengok balik soalan tadi. Dia nak berapa gram gluconolactone tinggal selepas first hour. Lepas tu kita boleh gantilah t hour tu dengan 1 hour dekat E tu, dekat kita punya equation tadi. Dapat terus nilai Y tu berapa, iaitu gluconolactone present selepas 1 hour. Okay, itu saja. Thank you.
Very good. Clear. Very clear. Okay, correct. And then this is 100% perfect. Okay, means that actually this part is solve. Solve the question. So this question they apply the rates. The rates. But actually, you don't have to find K, right? because K, info K is given. This is K. K is K given negative 0.6. So this one not given, info not given. So the perfect solution and perfect expression. Okay. Okay, see, read the question 30, Okay, can you tell us about the variable for number 13? Okay, variable using is the
V and T.
V and T lah, V. Okay, V lah. Because just check, this is V, right? V,
Yeah.
so it's the main variable, V and T. And then, what is V?
Voltage.
Voltage. Just say that voltage. You know this is voltage. Okay, if you say that V of T, the voltage at time T, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's say, oh, this is voltage, just enough. That is not burden you, actually. And then rewrite. This is R, right? R. Okay, continue, Harvish.
Okay, so after that we need to bring up dt and bring down the v.
Okay.
After that we need to integrate them, and I got ln v equals to negative 1 over 40 t plus c.
Yes.
So we'll get v equals to e power negative 1 over 40 t plus c. So we need to split the e to v equals to e power negative 1 over 40 t times e to the power of c, which is a constant.
Yeah.
So we'll get v equals to a times e power negative 1 over 40 t.
Okay, good.
As the question mentioned, when t equals to 0, v equals to v naught.
Okay, confirm to find C. The first info, find C. Okay.
Find C. So v naught, when we substitute into the equation, v naught is equals to a times e power 0. So we'll get a equals to v naught. So when we substitute back into the equation, we'll get v equals to v naught times e power negative 1 over 40 t.
Okay.
So that's the answer for part 1.
Okay,
Part 1 of the
settle.
question.
Okay, this is part. So right. Here is, wait, K. We don't have to find K. Why? Because our K is given. This is K. This is K. This is K. K is equal to negative 1 over 40. That's why info for K is not given. K inserted here. Okay. So the next is to solve, right? Okay, continue. Arish?
Okay, so for the second part of the question asks for time taken for the voltage to drop by 10% of its original value. So V equals to 10% of V naught. So we get V equals to 0.1 times V naught. So using the equation above, ln V equals to negative 1 over 40 t plus c. After we substitute the given values, we'll get ln V ln V equals to,
why don't use this one to substitute? V equals V naught in 1/40 T, right?
Yeah.
Just substitute here. V is equal to 0.1 V naught. V naught. Okay. I asking why you not use this one? Why you using this one, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't see it, I think.
Okay, this one much easier, right? It's okay. Can we say we have two methods, right? You can use the method, okay? The two method. Okay, continue.
So we'll get ln V equals, when we substitute into the equation ln V equals to -1/40t plus ln V theta, we'll get, we'll substitute the value of V, which is 0.1 V naught, to the equation. So we'll get 1/40t equals to ln V theta minus ln 0.1 times V theta. So after we solve it, we'll get t equals to 92.1 second.
Okay, good. This is one of the method. Means that Harris, okay, take this one, this equation before change to this we call index, right? Okay, say that, okay, beside that Harris also can use this equation, okay, and then continue, and then to find t. Okay, you have two methods. This is the first method, the second method. So means that now you need to write the ln to both sides, and then t is equal to ln, same like this, right? Ln 0.1 over -1/40. So same like this. So still you get the same one, 92.1 second. Okay. So for this one, you have to find k. Okay, clear, because k is already given. Okay, settle. Any problem, class, for this one? Okay, this is where okay, full mark and perfect solution. Okay. Siapa? Define. Apa variable?
Kita guna N and T.
Pandai. N. Because this one given N. So just use N. N refer to?
N to refer kepada number of bacteria present.
Pandai. Number of. Okay, clear. Dia faham. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so first about integrate the N over the N equals to integrate K dt.
Ni. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and then akan dapat.
Okay.
Okay, then kita dapat N equals to E to the power of KT and E to the power of T.
Okay.
Okay, and then yang tu kita simplify, kita dapat AE equals AE to the power of KT. Okay, and then kita buat when T equals to 0 and N equals to 10.
Try to find C, Okay. Is it T is equal given?
Yes, yes, yes. Sebab dia ada bagi bila 10 bacteria.
Say that initially, 10 bacteria. Initially, the keyword is initially, right? Initially means that T is equal to 0 at beginning. Okay, this is for to find C. Next.
Okay, then kita buat lagi satu when T equals to
Next.
1.
And find A, right? Okay, continue.
So, yang tu dapat A equals to 10. Lepas tu kita buat lagi satu when T equals to 1 and when N equals to 15.
Wait. And then here substitute back, right? The next is find K. This is K, right? Given. Okay.
Dan itu given, lepas tu kita masuk dalam equation tu. Lepas tu akan dapat K equals to ln 3/2.
Okay, settle. And show, right? Show. This one not shown. Okay, settle. Okay. Next is solve. Maybe A or maybe B, solve. Okay. Continue.
A dia minta how many bacteria will be present after an hour. So kita masuk value tu dalam equation tu and then akan dapat 1917511 bacteria.
Okay. So actually, first thing, okay, when you calculate this, is it you get the exact number like this? 1917511 or you get decimal?
I got it.
So in decimal, what is in decimal? 175
10.592.
Okay, so and then round off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing, okay, if you find this one using a calculator, you have to show the result, this one first. You have to show this answer first. The next answer is, okay, because of the number of bacteria is integer, you need to do round off to integer, the nearest number. Okay, but first is need to show this. You cannot get from the first step to this. No, cannot. You have to show point in decimal because you cannot get the exact number from the equation. Okay, first need to show and the next step. Okay, settle lah. Okay, so B, for B.
B dia tanya how long will it take for the number of bacteria to be
So given and find
1000. So tinggal cari T.
Okay.
Okay, lepas tu masukkan value N equals to 1000 tu dalam dia punya equation. And then kita akan dapat T equals to 11.4 minutes.
Okay, settle. So actually, okay, if you read the question, okay, T, N, because I given N. Okay, this one to find C, to find K, and to solve. To solve, maybe you get two parts, A or B, maybe. Say that if you read the question, you know this is number D, N, number of bacteria, R, something given, just rewrite and integrate. So say that initially there are 10 bacteria, okay, and 1 minute later, okay, 15 bacteria. Okay, show that N is equal to something. So A, how many bacteria? How many after 30 minutes? Okay. B, how long it takes for the number 1000? So means that you need to find. So this one at beginning, this one not given. You assume this is initially at beginning T is equal to 0. So you have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 info to answer this one. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 info to answer the question. Okay, fine. Okay, read few times to get all the infos. Okay, this one quite good, but the problem is here. Okay, this is the problem. You need to show the step. okay, maybe get full mark, maybe 99.5% perfect because of this. Okay, settle, but very good actually.